Hi, I'm Tom. I just got done riding the Blizzard Wrestler 10, and this continues to be one of my favorite skis. At 100-400 foot, this thing is the perfect platform for somebody who's looking to get off trail as much as possible, but understands there's a lot of days out there where they're just going to be groomer days, you're going to be lapping hard pack, but they want a ski that's going to really be fun everywhere. A lot of that comes from the DRT construction in here. So you've got all of the stability of metal and all of that power, but it's really located underfoot and extends up into the shovel and the tail just a little bit, enough to give you that precise control that you want on firm snow. But as soon as you get off trail, the wood core comes to life and you get all this snap and pop and liveliness that just makes this ski so much fun. If you're looking for something that's going to be nimble, not going to kick your ass all day, but be something that you can charge as hard as you want on it, you cannot pass up on the Wrestler 10.